welcome back once again to yet another video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like our content so that we can reach as many people as we can. If we just recap what we did in our previous video, we talked about the different types of modules we had and we went through them. However, we are now going to go through the core module a little in detail. Now the core module login, so I'll select core module first. I put in the username and then the password. I'm still using the admin because I want to access all the other rights as we go through these videos, and I'll show you how to do configuration of the other usernames. So once we log in, we are into our back office, call it the dashboard. Now on our dashboard or the back office, we are having the first menu called master maintenance. We said these menus are above and also on the left panel. You can access them right there. Now under master maintenance, we do several things, especially the configuration of accounts and the initial configuration of the items. When we click on master maintenance, down there you'll get to account master. Same menus, like I said, are represented above. When I click master maintenance, then I go to account master, you can see they are the same menus here. We can have company information there, branch information also there, supplier details also there, customer details, bank details, VAT, stock tax details, currency details, currency exchange rate details, salesman details, and then transaction ledger mapping. We shall be going through all of them at a little later stage. However, at this stage I'll be picking out the most important or the relevant ones that you need in order to kickstart the system. So I'll begin with the company information. So I get to company information and double click, or if not, I'll close this first. So closing is here. If I want to close a particular form, I'll click there. So I'll close there, or I can use close all windows. I wanted to show you how you get up there, so you can also come to master maintenance, account master, and then company information. Now under company information is where you can change the information concerning your company. You can edit the name in case there was a mistake in the entries, the contacts, you can edit them, the email address, the TIN number, and so on and so forth, because that's the information that is produced on your invoice. So that's the point where you change it from. Okay, I'm going to come back to that again a little later in detail. All right, so we also have, I'll ignore the branch information now because we are assuming you have a single branch. So when I come to supplier details, so under supplier details, this is where we feed in information about our suppliers, because these details are the ones that we use to produce documents like a purchase order, a purchase invoice, a goods receipt note, and this is what helps us keep track of how much a particular supplier has supplied and then how much they are demanding us or how much we are demanding them. So we feed in the information from here. Okay, so we shall feed in those details from this form. We also have what we call the customer details. Okay, so customer details is where we feed in information about our customers. So in case a customer wants his name to appear on the receipt, in case a customer is taking items on credit, in case a customer is doing what we call a deposit, they're depositing on an item, we first of all pick their information from back office right here, and then we save it. I can click search to see some of the customers already there. So when I click search, those are some of our customers who are already in the system. Okay, So this is where we enter that information. I'm going to come back to it a little later, explaining everything in detail. Basically on account master, that's the information we need to kickstart. So I'll close out in account master and I'll close all these windows. So right now we have customer details, supplier details, company information, and if I want to close all these instead of closing individually, I can just simply click close all windows and then it clears all of them.